These marsupials prioritize survival over aggression. Choosing to bluff their way out of danger. And when it comes to their young, they're fiercely protective. Female opossums carry babies in a pouch for 2 to 3 months, and later, the little ones ride on mom's back. With a solid escape success rate of 70%, the opossum's defensive strategies are definitely worth noting. Hissing and showing teeth, bluffing, or releasing a bad smell in their defensive battle. Female carries babies in a pouch. Babies stay there for about 2-3 months.